Scientists and researchers around the world continue to carry out various studies on identifying different ways to reduce mortality rates and infection from the COVID-19 virus. The contribution of such research has led to the production and distribution of the widely used COVID-19 vaccines. Recently, researchers at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden conducted the largest population study to date on whether statins could influence COVID mortality. Statins are a medication that is recommended and used to lower cholesterol levels and are a common preventive treatment for patients at high risk of cardiovascular events. Experts suggest that results from the research showed that statins reduce the risk of death from COVID-19 virus, a correlation that did not vary significantly among risk groups. The researchers noted that further randomized studies will be needed to ascertain whether there is a causal relationship between statins and COVID mortality. Professor in Medical Education at the University of Colombo, Indika Karunatilaka, is of the view that these findings highlight the importance of controlling underlying health conditions.
Based on the experience that we had from the patient helpline services of 247 and 1904, where we have spoken to over 60,000 patients and given advices, our experience is that vast majority of patients can be easily managed at home with very simple measures like good rest, adequate ventilation, good hydration and good nutrition, and maybe few simple medications like paracetamol. Other than that, they don't need any other medications because our immune system also, if you are vaccinated, that immunity taken together can easily fight off the virus in most of us, and giving certain medications to them can be harmful. For example, if you give drugs like steroids to those patients, what happens is their natural immune system gets suppressed, and that might prolong the illness and the patients might get severe complications. Same with antibiotics because this is primarily a viral infection. Another very important advice is if COVID patients are having non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension or high cholesterol, they need to continue their medication and their condition should be managed properly because the data has shown that those with non-communicable diseases have higher risk of severe disease and mortality. Recently, there was a large-scale study conducted by Karolinska Institute, Sweden, which has shown that patients with hypolipidemia who are taking the drug category called statins. Statin is a standard category of drugs that is used for management of high cholesterol or what we call hypolipidemia in medical terms. It's a standard drug that is used in Sri Lanka also. This research has shown that the patients on statins who have got COVID-19 have shown lesser mortality compared to those patients who are not on statin. So this again highlights the need for continuation of medication and proper control of non-communicable diseases. Having said that, this finding should not be misinterpreted as statin as a treatment or prophylactic treatment that prevent COVID-19 because this study was specifically for COVID-19 patients who has been on statins for treatment for hypolipidemia. So we have to be careful in interpreting the results, but finally this highlights the need for proper control of non-communicable diseases if we are to reduce the mortality and morbidity in COVID-19.
Sunsilk ලොකු බෝතලේ සේදුම් වාර 30. රුපියල් 16ක ඉතිරියක්.